Okay, so here I start with the underhook. We're not gonna work the setup yet. We're gonna just develop from here first. So basic idea, you crunch, okay? You hop your hip lower and roll your elbow up. As you're finishing the rotation, what's really important is to pull the shoulder out, okay, to make quick the rotation of the shoulder, and heavy arm here. So if you try to pull back, see I have that position there. See I kind of heavy on the hand, it's a little uncomfortable. Control here, and then you drag to the side control. Because of the gap here between his chest, okay, you're gonna throw, okay, your inside knee in and squeeze. You're gonna switch foot with the top leg and feed, without hurting the guy, feed to the other one. So make sure you understand that here, what happens with this position, your inside knee goes in, squeeze the knee, outside leg circles on the wrist. This could be a finish in itself, but here right now, all I'm trying to do is feed that arm to the other hand. I mean the other foot, sorry. Knee tight all the time, so he tries to pull, he doesn't go anywhere. Here right now, I position my foot, I coil my leg, I keep this leg really coiled, the other one post. I hop my hip on top of the guy, because it's easy to turn on my shoulder and rotate. Very comfortable there, okay? Always good pressure on this arm so he doesn't coil. So keep track, sometimes you put it behind your head. Turn your hip towards the guy, knee up. You can try knee up. You have to bring your knee up for his head to come close to you so your arm gets around the shoulder. Then you stretch him out a little bit as you catch the collar. So here right now, the pressure is you're gonna pull the collar down and then circle around the neck, okay? And as you do it, you crunch forward with your shoulder and keep your elbow in contact with your rib right away. Any extension of his arm too, you can cross your heel on his wrist and slide it up at shoulder level. Here right now, he already feels it. If I pull down, that's a tap right there.